Hello everybody, today in front of us we have this Motorola Edge 30 smartphone. In this video we're going to demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So that's how the keyboard, let me open it. That's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. So from now we want to open up the keyboard settings either by pressing on this gear, or there is also the second way to do that from the settings. At the settings, look for the system category. At the system page, go for the languages and input. Here choose on-screen keyboard. Next go for the Gboard, and at the Gboard settings page you want to open the preferences. And here basically all that is left to do for us is to turn on this number row switch, and as you will see now, that will ultimately mean that we have successfully turned on the separate number line. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.